Google recently released its amazing update for music generation, that is Lyria 3 Pro. If you are a paid subscriber of Google AI plan, then you can use it. Now you can generate music up to 3 minutes using Lyria 3 Pro music generation model. In this video I will show you how we can generate studio quality music using Google Gemini. Let's go on mobile screen. Open Gemini app and make sure your Gemini app is updated in latest version. Then click on create music option. You can type prompt to generate music or you can paste any prompt. I have already some lyrics in notes, so I will copy paste these lyrics into Gemini. Here I am writing a prompt and I have pasted lyrics for our bhajan. Now wait for some time. Gemini will generate a powerful bhajan based on my prompt and lyrics. So here you can see our music is ready. Now I am going to play and download. To download this music, tap on download icon. You can download this music with album art as video, or you can also download only mp3 file. So wait for some seconds and our video will be downloaded. Tap on open to play.
I am yours, and you are mine, oh round. I offer you my humble salutations 1,000,000 times over. Refuge of the destitute, abode of compassion. In you alone, oh Ram, do I place my trust. Show me mercy and embrace me, oh Ram. Accept me as your humble servant, oh Ram. I am yours, I am yours, I am yours. Abode of auspiciousness, dispeller of all misfortune, the very name that Lord Tripurari Shiva chants, by Goddess Shiva chants, accompanied by Goddess Uma. I am yours, I am yours, I am yours. When despair surrounds you on all sides, and when not a single hope remains, then let this very name be the one you utter. I am yours. The ties of this world endure only as long as life itself. Thereafter, nothing else holds any appeal. It is this name that comes to one's aid in the final hour. It is this name that serves in the moment of death. I am yours, I am yours, I am yours. This is the essence of the Guru's teachings. This is the true wealth of life, as declared by Rajesh. O mind, become a devoted servant of Ram. O mind, because I am yours, and you are mine, O Ram.
I hope you have listened this song and it's totally according to our prompt with powerful DJ beats. You can also play audio. So guys, you can try also different lyrics and you can also remix any template.